He will not let your foot slip. He who watches over you will not slumber. Psalm 121, verse 3.
Welcome to this daily encouragement from Our Daily Bread. God Watches Over Us was written by Nancy Gavianis and read by Joyce Dinkins.
Psalm 121. I lift up my eyes to the mountains. Where does my help come from? My help comes from the Lord, the maker of heaven and earth. He will not let your foot slip. He who watches over you will not slumber. Indeed, he who watches over Israel will neither slumber nor sleep. The Lord watches over you. The Lord is your shade at your right hand. The sun will not harm you by day, nor the moon by night. The Lord will keep you from all harm. He will watch over your life. The Lord will watch over your coming and going, both now and forevermore. God Watches Over Us, written by Nancy Gavianis. 2 pilots fell asleep in the middle of their flight over Indonesia. While the commanding pilot had permission to nap once the plane reached cruising altitude, he woke up to find that his co-pilot had also dozed off. The two were asleep for about 30 minutes with more than 150 passengers and crew on board, and while at approximately 36,000 feet altitude. The plane had veered off course, but thankfully the plane still arrived at its destination safely. Human pilots may snooze mid-flight, but we can rest assured that God never falls asleep. This is the comfort offered to us in the words of Psalm 121. In 8 verses, we're reminded that God is omniscient, or all-knowing about our life, omnipresent, or present all throughout our day, and omnipotent, or all-powerful, and can protect us. The psalmist declares that our help comes from God. He is our keeper and shade, and he guards us from all evil while preserving our soul. God never gets tired. He will not let your foot slip. He who watches over you will not slumber. The Lord will watch over your coming and going, the psalmist concludes, both now and forevermore. When we're wondering if God has forgotten us, we can rest assured that he's at the wheel. He's always awake and watching over us. Let's pray. Dear God, it's comforting to know that you never sleep, never forget, and never leave us alone. When we feel uncertain or afraid, remind us that you're always watching over us, faithful, present, and working everything out for our good. Thank you, Lord. It's in Jesus' name we pray. Amen.
As you go about your day, reflect on these questions. Why does it sometimes feel like God is asleep? How does it comfort you, knowing that He's always alert and aware of what you're experiencing?
Sel mom arakal nilumeras tawang pumungil tseka de tel expire akal nilumel mom ar akal nilumel na expire alongang melimaas amu labatok diakal mukal se erbelaur elang ar adati seorang loki wakal may lumel diak to ngil wasing na expire and diak edirek mtseka nutrition fact ngarakal ngilumel. A nutrition fact, all tayo di sila asar, roon ngarakal, masukal ngarakal, malaw, mamantekang ngarakal, ngilumul mom ar. A nutrition fact, ang usukal mo matangilwase, akal, ngilumul ngungil longang, emelimaat ang diak. Al sukum ka smell sukal, ka smell high blood, maknita heart trakaw, esel oboras toang mcheka date trakal blal expire madirek mongui wa nutrition fact raw omom arakal ngilumel ahel derkaw ilmaungil kamangat awurtuy rakaw reelaang ilmaungil karikik ilmaliltaungil rahil rakaw reelaang loki wakal ngilumel momar kamsulang ila kamomara akal na expire rotruray kalstawang.
In today's digital world, is your business truly secure? A single data breach can erase years of hard work and trust. Don't leave your digital assets vulnerable. This is where Guardian Cyber steps in. As a service-disabled veteran and Palauan-owned small business, we bring discipline, integrity, and excellence to cybersecurity. We partner with you to meet your regulatory or corporate obligations, safeguarding your critical data. At Guardian Cyber, we don't believe in one-size-fits-all. We start by assessing your current data protection posture to recommend tailored solutions that fit your specific business goals and, just as importantly, your budget. Our core competencies include everything from governance, risk, and compliance consulting to incident response and penetration testing. We even specialize in PEP and high-value individual cyber defense. Guardian Cyber is committed to one simple principle: your success is our success.
We are a Palauan-owned business and a responsible member of Palau Pledge, dedicated to environmental conservation through more efficient computing and cybersecurity solutions.
Protect your business, secure your future. To schedule your assessment, call on WhatsApp 680-770-8779 or email at Guardian Cyber. That's Guardian, CYBER 19@gmail.com.
Togubet Sub del Morabuay. Matiasub del Morabuay, el como Akoror Planning and Zoning Commission, adol tirakrala al lambang ringia 31 PNCA Section 33-35, el ngiam lamol ula State Orior, el KSPL number K6-88-98, amomru ra orengs buay, public hearing, togoni raavel kay malubeng ngaringyak loklir el ngaraygaygi del basyo, malubeng hamlet rablur orior, el ngiya hangrang ramir, hangray galaw, hangram yuns, mangarabasang, el mo ngarinya ongit el momlo da auspeel, others tal utem, rezone, maygal rezoning application, away gagi del balduk koryo. Ngarmid hamlet, Miss Margarita Aten, Susau B. Smul, el momlo da auspeel atamel, el ngialat number 004B07, el ngarasulu, etiang abgor del 7,984 square meter aklungel, el ngia R-2, single family residential zone, el mo RC, residential commercial zone, el moktengaringi amo orur trasyoba era bed and breakfast. Mr. Church Ura, ongit el momlo da auspeel atamel, el ngialat number 001B10, yang kleltial utama umetate, el ngarata ramang, el bor del ngarat 3,501 square meter aklungel, el ngia R-1, single family residential zone, el mosi commercial zone, el moktegar ngia omgodora apartment space rental. Ongit el momelo da rauspeela atamel, el ngia lat number 055B01, el bor del ngaradori 6,761 square meter aklungel, malat number 005B02, el bor del ngara 17,809 square meter aklungel, yang klelaigal utama anger beedesaw, el ngia RC, residential commercial zone, el mosi commercial zone, el moktegaringi amomalmol mraus paalel, aigal ngaringi el siobay, raal selaigal utama, reel al time. Igalaw Hamlet, Legislator Richard Alonso, Igalaw Hamlet, aolngit el momlod raus peel, at talgibra utama, el ngarakabur sa raikrela ongerul rael rahang raigalaw, el bor del ngara 67,640 square meter, aklungel, el moktegaringi, amo maktub rabasyo, el ngiyamo del ngagil raamt. Miyun sa ngarabsang Hamlet. Tokoror Planning and Zoning Commission, aolngit el momlod raus paalelay gal utam, el ngialat number 001-801, 001-802, 001-803, 001-829, 001-830, 002-A14, 002-A16, 002-A17, 002-A02, 002-803, 002-804, 002-806, 005-A50, 005-A51, 005-A35, 005-A36, 015-A06, 015-807, 015-808, 015-813, 016-801, 016-802, 016-803, 016-804, 016-805, 016-806, 016-807, 016-808, 016-809, 016-A10, 016-A11, 016-A12, 016-A13, 016-A14, 016-A15, 016-A16, 017-A17, 017-A18, 017-A22, 017-A23, 017-802, 017-803, 017-A11, 017-A12, 017-A13, 017-805, 017-806, 017-807, 017-808, Elngia R-1, Single Family Residential Zone, A Agriculture Zone, Masidi Conservation Zone, Elmo Commercial Zone, Elmo Tegaringi, Amormula Igal Utam, Elmo Trogokla, Loltirak Legel Siobay, El Ngarngira Al Seller El Altaim. Malwaise etial obis ragoror Planning and Zoning Commission, akmalolngit rar avel kiay, o klalo, malube to Siobay ra Al Sela Eruldar tel feet, 200 feet, El Meraigal Basyo, Mangidil avel ngarngia Klamaria Ringringi, Mamautakang El Mayor tial malklol tutelel Lorenz Buay, Mapomodenge ay galtmal maklol tutelel Togoy, El Merabalwaf. Sils December 3, 2025, Ongede Lurior, Wednesday. Time 6 p.m. Elmo 9 p.m. Basyo, Coro State Government Constitution Hall. Madatial obis akmal mering asuliw e olengit mayor tial kloal tutele Lorenz Buay. Yalangar niya karim e mautakang lomodong ra Building and Zoning Office radengwal 488-8436 malubeng 488-8769. Malub e mertial obis mamngaya ko makay el teletelel tialurior. Kompmal masulang. Signed M. Maggie Antonio, Executive Officer, KPCC, Building and Zoning Office.
This is a public notice from the Republic of Palau Ministry of Finance, Property and Supply Division. The public is hereby informed that the Chief of Property and Supply Division is soliciting proposals from interested businesses or companies to supply one each pickup truck for the ROP. Specifications for the needed items will be available after November 24th, 2025. Interested businesses or companies may contact Ms. Charnel D. Sumang, Chief of Property and Supply Division at the following address: Property and Supply Division, P.O. Box 6007, Koror, Palau 96940. Phone number 680-767-2552. Fax 680-767-1016. Email charnels@palaugov.org. This is 100% funded by local funds. Invitation for bid number IFB 01-26. Public notice is November 10th, 2025 through November 24th, 2025. Bidding period is November 25th, 2025 through December 29th, 2025. Opening date will commence December 30th, 2025. Proposals or tenders must be submitted to Property and Supply Division at the Bureau of National Treasury no later than 4 p.m. Palau time on December 29th, 2025, which is the closing date of this IFB. The IFB number, as well as the company name, must be clearly marked on the outside of the envelope. The procurement officer reserves the right to extend the opening date of said IFB, modify or cancel this notice, and reject non-conforming offers if it deemed necessary.
Bureau of Human Resources, BHR, of the Government of Palau will be soliciting and accepting sealed bids and proposals from qualified third-party agents authorized to work with U.S. Customs and Border Protection, CBP, to provide customs processing services for outbound mail destined for the United States. This will be a competitively negotiated contract. The services requested will be funded by 114A1804 Philately account. The specifications along with the evaluation criteria and all other requirements are being prepared and shall be made available on December 1, 2025. The solicitation and bidding period shall continue for more than 30 days or for a minimum of 15 days as determined by the procurement officer. The specifications will also be made available on Palau Gov's website at www.palaugov.pw/RFP-bids. Interested vendors may obtain copies of specifications by contacting the Bureau of Human Resources. Request for proposal number PCS 2026-05. Public notice from November 13, 2025 to November 28, 2025. Bidding period on December 1, 2025 to December 16, 2025. Proposal will be opened on December 17, 2025. Proposals or offers may be submitted at the National Treasury at the Finance Building in Koror or the Executive Building in Runmuth, Malgeo. For more information regarding this notice, please contact BHR by calling 680-767-2415 or 1126 or emailing at hr@palaugov.org.
This is a public notice from the Bureau of Human Resources. The public is hereby informed that the Bureau of Human Resources of the Government of Palau will be soliciting and accepting sealed proposals from interested businesses, qualified individuals, agencies, or institutions to provide an office space for the Office of the Public Auditor. This will be a competitively negotiated contract. The services requested will be fully funded by local funds. The specifications, along with the evaluation criteria and all other requirements, are being prepared and shall be made available on December 1st, 2025. The solicitation and bidding period shall continue for more than 30 days or for a minimum of 15 days as determined by the procurement officer. The specifications will also be made available on Palau Gov's website, www.palaugov.pw/RFP-bids/. Interested vendors may obtain copies of specifications by contacting the Bureau of Human Resources. Request for proposal number PCS 2026-06. Public notice is November 13th, 2025 through November 28th, 2025. Bidding period is December 1st, 2025 through January 2nd, 2026. Proposals opening January 5th, 2026. Proposals or offers may be submitted at the National Treasury at the Finance Building in Koror or the Executive Building in Ngurulmud, Malagyo. For more information regarding this notice, please contact BHR by calling 680-767-2415, 680-767-1126, or emailing hr@palaugov.org.
Subdra kamaldidela leona leong. Tia subdra godalo el tobdringar abay Lorenzo Gatosang, ringir ogreng el pulsadang, o bagraibong abay sadang, ila along ringel ma Florencio ngiraidong, subdra sarela leona leong, el ngalgila leong imeong, manubo ko sambal. Emlamotro kol motobdra November 26, 2025, long edelurior Wednesday. Mang tobdra morgra tutal mora idirungul Jesus, en momre kamisang, en tobdra mora Palau Funeral Home, en mga maldin el moswelb, et tobdra momdakro ol gulra katolik en ngarkabsang, lobangila damal. Magimsub de olngi tanges sur kamiula the mam momay mosoma martial bula. Giwaling spadala singenari na kamura, mosub der baby ng mangal gemem na kang sirtel bula. Agidiri sub der ngal gilay dong wasay, called former delegate no way dong, mosub der baby ng marangal gemem na kang sew. Agidiri sub der ngingat kaboy hiya pukro, maibiro lokon na mi wegi, mosub der adad marangal gemem na kang sirtel bula. Esara gimsub der gaur asengal Ignacio Anastasio, madirabis mosub der adad marangal garabis. Agidiri sub der ngal gilam dirabis lo sa un hotel ramadra idub eliser un hotel mosub der adad marangal gemem mosuma martel bula magal rulog Marcelo ngirqalaw mosub der bibir ngaw marad mem naqing sertel bula hayra gem sub der dialul alonskota madili long urdang mosub der adad marangal resuroy mem naqing seu ngarar gem sub der gal adal bay ati Dwight Alexander madil adal bay berni garbadul mosub der ngal gelabares ramurang odal ad maidalgay mem naqing sertel bula ngatma gem sub der adal barat blaq marino Thomas ligat Luciong Grayuet, mosubra adad marangal gemem da alimertel bula. Ngaram nungwe gem subra gal ngira dilub at tamin mga South Junior, mau LB lilo lang mga saw, mosubra ngal gra dilub mga suma mertel bula. Agidira kamsubdra kal ngilmasungil Lazarus Maseruy ma Innocencia France masubdra adad marangal ge mim nakaing sirte albula kal de madlut ko masubdra rulim maruda me mim nakaing sirte albula oriora ge masubdra kamil ngalgelam leibdul mariur hiromi asanuma Barbara Tulop mangir ngordongol la Dr. Victor Emiano masubdra adad marangal ge mim nakaing sirte albula kal Rosemary Mersay masubdra adad marangal ge mim nakaing seu Clotraol makamil ngalgelang rokli angalgiladil sa along Silvia Tangalbad Rafi tangalbat masubdra adad marangal ge mim mga suma mertel albula agidira kam subdra kal ngira Mariang Alexis Ramsig madilwang animaring hotel masubdra adad marangal ge mim nakaing sirtel albula ang ribukol rangarbe eda ge masubdra ad ribukol kyoni saal masubdra adad marangal ge mim nakaing sirtel albula amiun set espada rangal gelam leu el limeong etibek mangalnya rangal gela kliu ngira dong Roberta Moses pero ni kay miong Juliana imiong Vicenta imiong Isaias imiong Marciano imiong Maleong imiong diri espada rangal gela amle ngirariang sadang etibek kaul obakra ibong abay sadang marangir okreng al elbul sadang masubdra rangal gela esrak etibek kaul ngira along rangel maitri rangel masubdra bibir kami mim nakaing sirte albula o si siwul chu damra ngirariang benray isak mau elbil tering iramang masubdra adad marangal ge mim nakaing sirte albula agidri kam subdra kaul mdib Gerald Dermot ma diras amle o magatar terwo masubdra rangal gela hanakong iraibu mga sukumamerte albula agidiri kam sudra ngal gila kapokol ra Benedicta bosudra bebi ngom marangal gel lam nedir mangyaw Helen kapokol mamle espangal church kapokol mim nakaing sirte albula ngarkapsang ispadala ngal gila meu etibek katosang kas sudra drong liu mim mga sukumamerte albula agidiri kam sudra kaul bedul Patrick Aribuk madir kamura Apolonia Sinesio masudra bebi meu marada de mim nakaing sirte albula ang ispadala Edwin Mario maani Terso masudra ngal gila Salvador Sabet Severiana gintogi marangal gila Valentin Tirso mim nakaing sirte albula paliliwa kim sobdra kaul itpik James kinateng maodal ad Rosalind Mresbang masudra adad marangal rang silyong mim nakaing sirte albula ngayon ring spadala di Banghel Sali maadal barat Mule Jackson Henry maru itkuy da Sisuk Sali masudra adad marangal ratmiu mim nakaing seu agidiri kam sudra deligat Mario Culibert maodam rapyong ngilutang ebil ras en Mary del Mel masudra adad marangal ge mim nakaing sirte albula maklo ase albul mamasang idiri klam tela subda ul trigel admam lo di galobas angklir emdengel mogdaqawat laqabol makkitarang miyo mim da alim nakaing sirte albulbong lal sungul ngal targid ya bola kal sab emel me di galat karang lungu ko malm sulang ye Dios lo makaltang atrigid rokwi sain rabe Lorenzo katosang o sisul subdra kodal lol tob dringia adra ekalbay nganya ngir ekalbay Galisto Joseph ngira moay Adelino Santos Oilal Ernest Ongidobla Macrocree ay Samuel Samsel Marungulu El Isidoro Tagisang Ongeim Captain Arvin Raymond ma Florencio Siong Iraidong Ragodelela Leona Leong el ngalgela Leong imiong el ngalgela Amaredong imiong el motor kaklal motodrong edel Uriol Wednesday November 26 2025 el dimo mga Maldira Santos por Hatchapel Mosuel bemedak rolul ng argabsang nagikmalol ngitr kumul bebin kumam el maid mga sutrir ang ngalgela Amaredong imiong Maraway sekim subdar at mam regal bekal blue mamoyti tal sang miwe mim nakaing sirte albula ngayang lagim subdar kal adal baras Bangel Francis Tamangil o bilulang ong au Holiba Albert ruon mi remote marup o bakara makakamsong Valente Oigang masubdra bibirigid marangal nga imim nga mga sumamertel albula ngaralong agim subdra kal o bakara ibukol Lorenzo ngiramolaw madala labulal gikum machimaru masubdra adad marangal nga imim nga sirtel albula niwala agim subdra ngal ginam leong Dios timarong rachandek timarong maronal timarong masubdra bibir kamiu madirikat savior ngiramyong makaspasude imim nga sirtel kamaldila ngaramlungoy agim subdra Abir Dialul Inos Brands rangalgela Johanna Rabascual Ongos ka former Governor Wilson Ongos maodri Rawilma Ongos Plesam agidiri kam subdra former delegate Swani Ongidobl makaspasud del bekla ad marangal gimim nakaing sirte del kamaldila at pangagim subdra kal delegate Francisca Otong masubdra ad marangal gimim nakaing sirte del sang agidiri kalon ngit rakaw romsik surangal wip senior mabekal dil ebakyota mamakaspasud mim nakaing sew ay miliga gim subdra kal Crocree ay Samrael Samsel dirak lolblay kyoy et pisong marbebir kamiu Governor Brownie Simir marbibirgaw Let's later Lucio Abagarbaw marbibirgaw mamakaspasud del bekla ad mim nakaing sirte del kamaldila rangalgela dugor Ratio Smith masubdra rangalgela Satski dugor emim mga sukumam til albula agidiri kam subdra kail ong esi masubdra bibirgaw emim mga sukumam Ay ragim sudrangi daget yugi wodongok la marta ko siba maria dongok la gen siro dongok ma ngir rudela dev dongok la diregal spadala rangal gila kyota dongok raya oras amus frank kyota ngira trang kyota maubat fuana ngira tagi ay diregal sudrangal gila rikil sa sakurai sang rasano sakurai marangal gila kliw ngira malgay rahana marolmi mungkas pasudal bekla admi mngaing seu ay diregal sudra lisa borhat mutula tirasel emigri klang ma captain ongim Arvin Raymond masudra bibir kamiu emim mngaing seu tial masang ay diregal sudra ngal gila tulob rahana tulob hilde tulob magabo tulob masudra ngal gemim mngaing seu Oriora gimsudra gaul senator Hokons Paules, Dilwang Amra Paules, Adalba Ignatius Ngirmeril, Diliad Chuding Ngirmeril, Masudra Ngila Merol, Magamilus Ngirmeril, Masuma Martel Bul, Agidra Gamsudra Alonso Joseph, Victor Joseph, Talislaus Joseph, Willie O. Wali, Marbebina Kamiu, Edria Gamsudra Hiromi Asanoma, Barbara Tulop, Telngayala, Marcela Santos, Juliana Chiro, Ibu Malsol, Merlin Malson Ride, Masudra Bibirigi de Mimrain Sertel Bul, Mayun Chernagila Amaredong imiyong amsudraw elbil hilariang idaibu mamasakong idaibu sadang ngalgilang ida Aurora Lawrence malisang hanging its ngalgila wataru imiyong ra Teo S. Miguel Siskaw el marbebirigid may mnakaing sir telbula. Akidiri kamsudra ngalgila kliung iraidong ra Florencio iraidong ma Merlin iar masudra bibir kamiu ngalgila benoni ngay imiyong ra Daklas ma Felisa Maidesil ngalgila Leong imiyong ra Susan Olebu marbebir kamiu ngalgila Roberta imiyong ra Diraiged Domin M. Tomei Mailals Malsol masudra bibir kamiu ngalgila Juliana imiyong ra Audrey Teo ma Pamela Arboy masudra bibir kamiu ngalgila Vicenta imiyong ra Eloise imiyong ramli masudra bibir kamiu may mnakaing seu ngalgila Marciano ra Kailani Masmau imiyong ngalgila Isaias imiyong ra Sabrong al marbibir kamiu agidiri kamsudra ngalgila ngil Luis Seruy Raul masudra saka Juanita Kaldung Obiang Kenya Mugay masudra bibir gide may mnakaing seu ngalgila Ari ra Jacinta Machibasang may mnakaing seu tial albula ang agimsudra ngalgila Faustino Tirso mamkas pasudra ade may mnakaing seu agidiri kamsudra Gracia Richard masudra bibir kamiu may maskumam Pililiwa gimsudra itpik James ginadeng maotal ad Rosalyn Mresbang masudra adat marangal agidiri kamsudra Elchias Shalom et Pisong mau elbil tering irmang masudra vekal ad marangal ngemi masukma martel albula ngayaw agidiri kamsudra ngulu el Isidoro Tagisang at talaw at Tongo Gates mara Ramona ong alibang masudra bibir ngamiu marangal giu emim da alim da kaingisew agidiri kamsudra ngalgilam le talaw at Yorigo Luis Latina Batros Joshua Ephraim Machan masudra bibir ngamiu emim da alim da kaingisew albula agidiri kamsudra gal Ramdeb Warren Fukuichi marangalgila Aulerio Tagisang mukas subde may alim da kaingisew tial masang agik malon ngitr kamiul da mamregal bekal blum lo di amdong clear tial subda mlakamol mkitarang miul ang klam ngatela subda ul bemau subese may alim da kaingisew tial masang kloase erm albul mabola kome di daglat krang lungu Daruba kalon mol mos mergid lo babud mabaltigreng kopmal sulang sa ngir ekelbay Kalisto Joseph liak le tokobet spedir ngalgela amanidong imyong almorgami arbebil ra dalmam almomay mosukma mertel ngamaldile ngalgela Leong imyong ra Leona Leong mangarar dagim subra madan ngabuk tamir mong South Junior mleay maura hideos dare tri takamangloy oda ole mature hide dulay subris ma Teo Cuarte mosubra bebir ngamye me mosukma mertel bula Dirigal mora Evira Merong Stominaruo, Marta Dever, Maria Hobson, mosubdar bibir kami may alim moskumam. Agidirigal mosubdar gal hari Marut Paseps, mosubdar bibir kami may moskumam, artial albula. Eringa ma Ines Remangsaw, mosubdar ngalgilam le madrang po Thomas Remangsaw Senior, may alim at kangisew. Pristina Mangloy, ginatang Wilbert Makayung, mosubdar bibir kami may moskumam artial albula. Kidirigal mosubdar ngalgila ringang na Natalie Anastasio, mosubdar bibir kami may moskumam artial albula. Paulina Kaya mosudra ngalgila Benjamin Mangloy may alim at kangisew. Malin sigiragit ang mga sukma martial bula. Helasyon ngiray bakas mosudra bibir ka may mga sukmam. Roman Romalig mosudra bibir gida may alim at kangisew tial bula. Nagidiri kam sudra Justino Maat mosudra bibir ka marangal may at kangisew. Malakayo kagim sudra diradal po altakla ko dew. Diray lolang Antonina Antonio, dirario Marta Alus, mosubdra ngalgela Otrila, Tokoy, Alus, Kadoy, Eungel Mardial, may alim at kangisew tial bula. Tia sudrol to dringa obaklol pire Napoleon ngingat pak na bert Napoleon paules sambal manginaget yugi wongok lemora rogul gimgaw adra babaldao orior mayol dao el kmotar gidra leona leon am los mer November 11 2025 abat ngilang aramor kaya kamaldile lam lamotrok lemorngina Wednesday November 26 2025 Rasantos Borja Funeral Home mamadakar rabasang Mangar long agim sudra adalbara may resyong may ebira may roro arurang mosudra adad may ndakaing sew ngarara dagim sudra rut araray holt ngiratyo ma kabasang ete tyob mo sudra adad may ndakaing sew ngart magim sudra irangas lusyong iray wet ma Florencia France mo sudra adad may ndakaing sew ngesara gim sudra ebgeu tad ginamangyor miray da Mercir Maruy Malik Rabital Blue Justinar Maruy tuid Simon Maruy madil tuid adorang inamolaw mo adad may nakaing sew. Manakayo kagim subra Senator Brian Mlairey mo subra bebir kaw may nakaing sew. Ngat pangagim subra rakamsik surang alwip senior mabek kaldil evakyota mo subra adad may nakaing sew. Imali kagim subra ebil Hermana Umetaro mangalgil adeliget Warren Umetaro mo subra bebir kami may nakaing sew. Agidri kam subra ermelek kalterworong ulbay mo subra adad may nakaing sew. Ayra gim subra gigrel tadip timoting irdimaw wadal adra rabaw ine Santos dira aspara Karen Gohama obiang dira kaltalyab da mangyor amasyo al matmewang rungulbay masubra adad may nakaing sew. Oriora gimsubda rarubas Gabriel Adalbay maoob Rahel Beserrak masubra adad may nakaing sew. Dira kamsubra Adalbar Kaswal Harry Fritz Marimu Dominicang Oriak la masubra adad may nakaing sew. Agi dira kamsubra runguluel Herman Omelaw marangalgele Asko Rudim Raiban Rudim Shirley Rudim Matalobat Eunice Oilow Senator Mark Rudim masubra bibir kami may nakaing sew. Dira kamsubra gilam leo el magdiu itaro singawa ma ramari singawa mosudra bibir ngaw min nakaing sew kidre kon sudra ngal gilam netalo ad ngadi scroll adra min rang clol ad mosudra bibir ngaw min nakaing sew kidre kon sudra laiter dolmer sa Polonia Siprit prima o ib mosudra bibir ngaw min nakaing sew akidre kon sudra ngiripkal madripkal mosudra ad min nakaing sew Tigidiri kamsudra Elizabeth Rivera, ibdura idong Adolf Tomei, maaloyola 12 mosubra adad may nakaing sew. Agidiri kalolingit ra ngir olsu ol Milan abrodong madirturong hiroko sungyama mosubra adad may nakaing sew. Iliak kalsubda altob daringya adilpak kay gobedor almurang algilam ni Rubas Santos Oligong ralusien ma Clifton Oligong mosubra bibir kami may nakaing sew. Agidiri kamsubra ngiklep Alfonso Mangay, diray galaw lali Gibon sa marang algilam ni Obidir Tokia Morey, rading Luis Ignacio Morey, maobirir Pierre Mangasaw, masubra adad may nakaing sew. Agidiri kal masubra ngalgila kaday oib, Ramda Alchulia oib, Chani Yao, Tosco Floriano, masubra bibir kami may nakaing sew. Iliak kal subra altob din yan ngalgila abatok, almurabilitang yo itsingewo, mabalang ulang wong, masubra adad may nakaing sew. Yabaliliyo agim subra ngalgilam li obirir Ayako Martin, ra obirir Chulita Olibay Klolubak, masubra bibir gidra Luila may mga sumam. Egidira kamsudra el magdiu susumumori marangal gila diraklay Kosiba ra ambasador Joshua Kosiba Joseph Kosiba maester Kosiba marbibir kamiu masubra adad may nakaing sew. Egidira kamsudra el magdiu Ignacio Santiago diram dalyang kya Katrina Teley Inaria Tomei Kosiba Yamamoto Edwina Solang Susan Rodas masubra adad may nakaing sew. Egidira kamsudra ngal gila abarek ngira arngay Rangal gila waing ratewang marbibiringi. Rangal gila igalaw ongklong ra Maria Otto Joseph Malisarngel. Rangal gila ngingatpak obiang ngirarngay ra Marciana obiang marbibiritir. Rangal gila Gabriel ngirarngay. Rangal gila Sengit madram ra mad marbibiringi mimdrang sew. Agidiri kamsubra rangal gila ngimlengi ngatpak smau susong ra rangulu el Hensley smau. May miritep Madayana smau Sanford smau. Maris Hanes Chunewo. Mosubra bibir kamiyo mimdrang sew. Agidiri Sobra ngal gila remaldil ro ang etiu margar ichiro ma Henrietta Chilton mo sobra ngal game nakaing sew. Agidiri kam sobra ngal gila nidilpak Klaus Pesungal ra edala Roman Ridev low erung la Sienas Pesungal ma Chances Pesungal ma sobra bibir kami may nakaing sew. Agidiri kam sobra ngal gila bulbul sambal ra Baules sambal Fuanes sambal ma Fabian the Sol may nakaing sew. Agidiri kam sobra ngal gila Saigo Iyar ra Elmer Iyar Sabet Iyar Estela Nangata mo sobra bibir kami may nakaing sew. Agidiri kam sobra ngal gila Nobuko Leong ra Susan Olebu ma Isak sambal mo sobra bibir kami may nakaing sew. Agidiri kam sobra ngal gila Christina Codeb ra Carson Codeb Michelle Alfonso ma Merlin Dominic mo sobra bibir kami may nakaing sew. Agidiri kam sobra ngal gila Aline Nakamura radilpak kay gobedor marangalgel. Agidire kamsudra rangalgela hisaye kunyoshi ra Quincy kunyoshi. Agidire kamsudra rangalgela amle obaklol kunyo nakamura rakabenor mais Robert Arik Nakamura Eviledil Caroline Nakamura takada Sherry Nakamura ulangong Chill Nakamura iyar marangal kami nakaingisew. Agidire kamsudra rangalgela Hiroshi Nakamura ra tiras song Pascuana Talay ngiraget yugidongok Marta Kosiba Maria Dangok Dora Benhart Queen Dira Benhart Masherla Benhart masubra bibin kami may nakaingisew. Agidire kamsudra rangalgela amle at pakto siwa Nakamura ro Troy Siegfried Nakamura Marco Nakamura lol Mirna Nakamura Kyota masubra bibin kami may nakaingisew. Agidire kamsudra rangalgela Ambassador Daisiro Nakamura Agimiyo Nakamura Jeremy Nakamura masubra bibin kami may nakaingisew. Agidire kamsudra rangalgela amle Chief Justice Mamoru Nakamura Edwin Nakamura Harold Nakamura Natalie Nakamura Stephanie Nakamura may nakaingisew. Agidire kamsudra rangalgela amle dilpak marigi Napoleon Robaklol Pina Napoleon Marangalgel ngirangat pak nambert Napoleon Marangalgel ongetiu Andres Napoleon Marangalgel Beverly Napoleon Marangalgel rangalgela na okoy miyong Rahis Kahuwe makailani kini rangalgela Johanna Napoleon ra Ilen Girmerin Marangalgel rangalgela amle dilpak Naomi Simang ra Byron Napoleon Rolmi Napoleon Singerung marbibir kami may nakaingisew. Ngayaw ragim subra rangalgela ngiraw Miss raw eldig sa Kamenor Natus Miss Richard the Miss marangalgela masako orengs ra Captain Benito Thomas masubra bibir kami may nakaingisew. Agidire kamsubra ngulyo simbukoy ma Isabela Ridep maongayim Captain Arvin Raymond masubra ada may nakaingisew. Parlo atret repto kamasang mabulakal sa MLM maldingil basul edil kalat krang lungu. Kung malmsulang yabut mabaltigareng radios lobang gideroguy. Sign obaklol Pir Napoleon mangilaget yugiwadong okla.
Tial subdel mulla reng stringi atiagal spedel matiagal tigingel malub engul deswel atias broadcasting company tiang aspetirar adlul top dengi haraorngi ko malmsulang.
Notice regarding land known as Maribal, located in Ngardalol Hamlet, Peleliu State, depicted as cadastral lot number 040R15. Notice is hereby given that the Idarue clan, represented by the Siar Lester Ngiramaged, Emblem Sum Susan Yobe, has requested that a certificate of title to the above property be issued in the name of Palauan National Government based on a land conveyance agreement of such land from Idarue clan, represented by the Siar Lester Ngiramaged, Blamsum Susan Yobe, to Palauan National Government. The documents by which the land is being conveyed is available for inspection at the land court. Any member of the clan who wishes to object to this transfer must file such an objection with the land court no later than December 22, 2025, or such objection may be forever barred. Signed, Rosemary Scabong, Senior Judge. Tiasub del girela utum enclela maribal el ngarablu rangardelol grabalilio el gadastral lat number nya 040R15 asub da muraboel mo Daru A clan represented by the Share Lester ngiramaged mablamsum Susan Yobe amlaruli on trir meltov the certificate of title girel tiam lam southern babel utma el murapalaw national government ababiel girel tiloy de la utma malubeng land conveyance agreement ang arngir obisra len court el sebel angidil adlo mamesrengi al sum mangarnya adar tel qablil so alam tor teloy de la utma eng malgirel file al tangel mur obisra len court el gabon miodran December 22 2025 lebol miodr tial time eng sebel celul tangel el modegalo sign Rosemary Scabong Senior Judge. Notice regarding land known as Mangalang, El Bedel, located in Ngasias Hamlet, Peleliu State, depicted as cadastral lot number 033R07. Notice is hereby given that the children of Kosiba Basio, represented by Joe Kosiba, has requested that a certificate of title to the above property be issued in the name of Palauan National Government based on a land conveyance agreement of such land from children of Kosiba Basio, represented by Joe Kosiba, to Palauan National Government. The documents by which the land is being conveyed is available for inspection at the land court. Any children of Kosiba Basio who wishes to object to this transfer must file such an objection with the land court no later than December 22, 2025, or such objection may be forever barred. Signed, Rosemary Scabong, Senior Judge. Tiasob del Girela Utma el Mangalang, والأوبن والبدل أنكلل الغنا بلور نسياس رابليليو الغداسترال لات نمبرنيا 033 or 07 Asuda Mora Mo a children of Kosiba Basho represented by Cho Kosiba Amnaruli on Tilmil Tobra certificate of title Girel Tiam Lamsadar Babel Utma al Mora Palau National Government Ababiel Girel Tieloi de la Utma Land Conveyance Agreement ang arngir of Israel and Court til sebelang idil adal mo mesringi al sugum mangarngia other tiel tulungal al swalom to Tieloi de la Utma ikmal Girel file or tangel more of Israel and Court til diabol meoder on December 22 2025 lebol meoder tiel time ang sebel celul tangel al modegalo sign Rosemary's Kabong Senior Church. Notice for land located in Taliu Hamlet, Palauan State, cadastral lot number 077R05, 077R06. Notice is hereby given that Soe clan, represented by Rangul Donald Haruo, has requested that a certificate of title to the above property be issued in the name of Palau National Government based on a land conveyance agreement of such land from Soe clan, represented by Rangul Donald Haruo, to Palau National Government. The documents by which the land is being conveyed is available for inspection at the land court. Any member of the clan who wishes to object to this transfer must file such an objection with the land court no later than November 13, 2025, or such objection may be forever barred. Signed, Rosemary Skabong, Senior Judge. Tiasub del Girela Utum al Rablura Tiliu, Rablura Blilio, Gadastral Lat Numberinga, 077 R05, 077 R06. Asub del Morabuay, Akmuasaway clan, represented by Rangul Donald Haruo, Amnaruli on Tilmel Tobda certificate of title, El Girel Tial Namsadar Babel Utum al Morapalau National Government. Ababiel Girel Tialoy de la Utum Mangarnir of Israel and Gort, El Sebela Ngidil Adel Momesringi. Also Mangarnia other Tial Gablil, so alom Tor Tialoy de la Utum, Ikmal el file or tangel more of Israel Court el diabol meudra November 13, 2025. Lebol meudra tial time ang sebel celul tangel el modegalo rior. Sign Rosemary Skabong, Senior Judge. Tia sub del gire la utum el nganablur nga siyas rabalilyo el cadastral lot number 040R08 Lo ultra-cadastral plat number 040R00. Asuda Morabuay Elkmo. Children of Ilarong and Maria, represented by Vincent L. Ramali, Amlaruli on Tilmel Tobra certificate of title, El Girel Tiam la Masadar Babel Utum el Morapalau National Government. Ababiel Girel Tiloy de la Utum Land Conveyance Agreement, ang arngir of Israel and Court el Sebelang idil adal mo mesringi. Al sugum mangarngia Children of Ilarong and Maria, al swalom tokor Tiloy de la Utum, ekmal Girel file er Tial Tangel el Mor of Israel and Court el Tegabol Meudra November 13, 2025. Lebol Meudra Tial time ang sebel celul tangel modegalo rior. Sign Rosemary Skabong, Senior Judge. Notice regarding land located in Ngasias Hamlet, Palauan State, depicted as cadastral lot number 040R28 and shown on cadastral plat number 040R00. Notice is hereby given that children of Ilarong and Maria, represented by Vincent L. Damaliga, has requested that a certificate of title to the above property be issued in the name of Palau National Government based on a land conveyance agreement of such land from children of Ilarong and Maria, represented by Vincent L. Ramalig, to Palau National Government. The documents by which the land is being conveyed is available for inspection at the land court. Any children of Ilarong and Maria who wishes to object to this transfer must file such an objection with the land court no later than November 13, 2025, or such objection may be forever barred. Signed, Rosemary Skabong, Senior Judge. Tiasub del Girela Utum and Klela Homestead 164 ng Rablur ng Asyas, Rablur Ablilyo. Cadastral lot 088R01, 088R02, 088R05, 088R09, 088R11, and ultra cadastral plot number 088R00, mat 088R01. Asubda Morabuel mo, awal Gumr clan, represented by Ngir Ongor, Doroteo Nangata, Madilikleb ane Marisolang, Amnarulia Untrir, el Meltobda, a certificate of title, Girel Tiam Lamasawadar Babel Utuma, el Morapalau National Government. Ababir Girel Tialoy de la Utuma, Land Conveyance Agreement, ang aringir of Israel and Court, el Sebe Langidil Adel mo omesringi. Al sukum mangaringa adel Tel Gablil, so alom tokor Tialoy de la Utuma, ikmal Girel file or tangil el Mor of Israel and Court, el Diagabal Meudra November 13, 2025. Lebol Meudra Tial Time ang Sebe el Celul Tangil el Modegalorior. Sign Rosemary Skabong, Senior Judge. This is a notice in regarding of land known as Homestead 164, located in Ngasias Hamlet, Peleliu State, cadastral lots number 088R01, 088R02, 088R05, 088R09, formerly lot 088R03, 088R11, formerly lot 088R06, and shown on cadastral plat number 088R00 and 088R01. Notice is hereby given that Walgomer clan, represented by Ngir Ongor Doroteo Nangata and Diliclip Ane Marisolang, has requested that a certificate of title to the above property be issued in the name of Palau National Government based on a land conveyance agreement of such land from Walgomer clan, represented by Ngir Ongor Doroteo Nangata and Diliclip Ane Marisolang, to Palau National Government. The documents by which the land is being conveyed is available for inspection at the land court. Anyone who wishes to object to this transfer must file such an objection with the land court no later than November 13, 2025, or such objection may be forever barred. Signed, Rosemary Scabong, Senior Judge. Tiasubo del Girela Utama El Ngara Taliu Hamlet Rabelio El Cadastral Lot Number 040 R01 132 R01 R618 040 R24 132 R13 132 R07 R4918 R617A R616A R344A Ingara Cadastral Plat Number 040 R04 132 R01 040 R00. Asuda Moraboy mga Silyong clan, represented by Ibik James Ngirading, amnaruli until meltobra certificate of title girel legal mlamasodar babel utuma al Mora Palau National Government. Ababel girel tialoy de la utuma land conveyance agreement, ang aringir obisra land court tal sebel ang idil adal mo mesringi. Al sukum mangarnya adar tial kablil so alom tor tialoy de la utuma, ikmal girel file or tangel mor obisra land court tal diabol meodra December 4, 2025. Lebol meodra tial timing sebel selul tangel el modegalourior. Sign Rosemary Scabong, Senior Judge. Notice regarding land known as blank located in Taliu Hamlet in Peleliu State, depicted as cadastral lots number 040 R01, 132 R01, R618, 040 R24, 132 R13, 132 R07, R491A, R617A, R616A, R344A, and shown on cadastral plat number 040 R04, 132 R01, and 040 R00. Notice is hereby given that Ngasilyong clan, represented by Itpik James Ngirading, has requested that a certificate of title to the above property be issued in the name of Palau National Government based on a land conveyance agreement of such land from Ngasilyong clan, represented by Itpik James Ngirading, to Palau National Government. The documents by which the land is being conveyed is available for inspection at the land court. Any member of the clan who wishes to object to this transfer must file such an objection with the land court no later than December 4, 2025, or such objection may be forever barred. Signed, Rosemary Scabong, Senior Judge. This is a notice regarding land known as Idalbong, located in Taliu Hamlet in Peleliu State, depicted as cadastral lots number 085 R04, 06, 08, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 092 R01, R03, R05, R27, R39, R41, R43, R48, R50, R52, R54, R58, R64, R76, R70, 085 R05, R07, R09, R11, R13, R15, R17, R19, R21, R23, R25, R27, R29, R31, R33, 092 R02, R04, R06, R028, R40, R42, R47, R49, R51, R53, R56, R60, R66, and R68. Notice is hereby given that the Sa'uduy clan, represented by Yaat Chinkel, Sa'uduy clan, represented by Gang Itsuao, and Sa'uduy clan, represented by Uodalat Satski Florencio, has requested that a certificate of title to the above property be issued in the name of Palau National Government based on a land conveyance agreement of such land from Sa'uduy clan, represented by Yaat Chinkel, Sa'uduy clan, represented by Gang Itsuao, and Sa'uduy clan, represented by Uodalat Satski Florencio, to Palau National Government. The documents by which the land is being conveyed is available for inspection at the land court. Any member of the clan who wishes to object to this transfer must file such an objection with the land court no later than December 4, 2025, or such objection may be forever barred. Signed, Rosemary Scabong, Senior Judge. This is a notice regarding land known as Idalbong, located in Taliu Hamlet in Peleliu State. Depicted as cadastral lots number 085R04, 06, 08, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 092, R01, R03, R05, R27, R39, R41, R43, R48, R50, R52, R54, R58, R64, R76, R70, 085, R05, R07, R09, R11, R13, R15, R17, R19, R21, R23, R25, R27, R29, R31, R33, 092, R02, R04, R06, R028, R40, R42, R47, R49, R51, R53, R56, R60, R66, and R68. Tiasub del Morabuay, el Mas'aduy clan, represented by Yaad Chinkel, Mas'aduy clan, represented by Gang Itsuao, Mas'aduy clan, represented by Uodalat Satski Florencio, am naruli on trir meltob their certificate of title, el girel legal la masadar babel utma, el Palau National Government, ababier el girel tialoy de la utma, land conveyance agreement, ang arngir obisra len court, el sabelangi dil adel bomesringi, al sumangarngi adel tial qablil, el sualom togor tialoy de la utma, ek mal girel file rautangel mor obisra len court, el diabol meudra December 4, 2025, lebol meudra tial time, en sabel selul tangel el modegalurior. Signed, Rosemary Scabong, Senior Judge.
The Land Court of the National Judiciary Republic of Palau, located in Taliu Hamlet, Peleliu State, in 149R23, and shown cadastral plot number 149R01. Nguyud clan represented by Runguruel Herman Omelao, Talobat Eunice Oilo, petitioner. Notice is hereby given that the Nguyud clan, represented by Runguruel Herman Omelao and Talobat Eunice Oilo, has requested that the certificate of title to the above property be issued in the name of Palau National Government based on a deed of transfer of such land from Nguyudel clan, represented by Runguruel Herman Omelao and the Talobat Eunice Oilo, to Palau National Government. The documents by which the land is being conveyed is available for inspection at the land court, so anyone who wishes to object to this transfer must file such an objection with the land court no later than December 16, 2025, or such objection may be forever barred. Date November 11, 2025. Signed, Rosemary Scabong, Senior Judge. Atalwase tiasub the hello to the land court, Marwase tiasub the Morabuay Mukmo Angyudel clan, elom te ernia Arunguruel Herman Omelao, Matalob Adel Eunice Oilo, Amlaruli ha ontrilol tobdra a certificate of title, el girella amla masaud, Herbabel Utm, el Mora Palau National Government. Abavier el girel tial loitela Utm, angarngira a obisalen court, el sebelangidil ath, el mo omesringi. Al sugumangarngia ath, el tial tulungalga, el soalom toker tial loidela a Utm, akmalgirel fael a Utngel, el Mora obisralen court, ra atiahbon meudra trui melol mul ko singil ong trui ong rul buirel arrak albo on meo ritial el time heng sebel sel lul tengel el mo o diagalorior sign Rosemary Skubong Senior Judge date November 11 2025
Subdel gire la utmal nga sias rablu rablilio gadastra la 054 r 02 asubda mura boal mangas kasuk clan represented by obakram ngalang al ranir dor mangas kasuk clan represented by ngaskasuk che ogada ngaskasuk clan represented by ngaskasuk Abraham Ngirios ngaskasuk clan represented by obak Jack Ngasang mangaskasuk clan represented by Bilung Marcia ogada amnaruli on tril meltob the certificate of title girel tial la masadar babal utma Palauan National Government. Ababir el girel tialoy de la utma len conveyance agreement ang aringir officer len gort tel sebe elang idil adan mo meserngi. Also mangaringa adar tial qabli lel soalam tong tialoy de la utma ikmal girel file or tangel el more officer len gort tel diabol meudra December 17, 2025. Lebol meudra tial timing sebe el selul tangel el mo de galurior. Sign Rosemary Skubong Senior Judge. Notice is hereby given that Ngaskasuk clan represented by Obakram Ngalang Ranir-Dor, Ngaskasuk clan represented by Ngaskasuk Che Ogada, Ngaskasuk clan represented by Ngaskasuk Abraham Ngirios, Ngaskasuk clan represented by Obak Jack Ngasang, and Ngaskasuk clan represented by Bilong Marcia Ogada has requested that a certificate of title to the above property be issued in the name of Palauan National Government based on a land conveyance agreement of such land from Ngaskasuk clan, represented by Obakram Ngalang Ranir-Dor, Ngaskasuk clan represented by Ngaskasuk Che Ogada, Ngaskasuk clan represented by Ngaskasuk Abraham Ngirios, Ngaskasuk clan represented by Obak Jack Ngasang, and Ngaskasuk clan represented by Bilong Marcia Ogada has requested to Palauan National Government. The documents by which the land is being conveyed is available for inspection at the land court. Any member of the clan who wishes to object to this transfer must file in such an objection with the land court no later than December 17, 2025, or such objection may be forever barred. Sign, Rosemary Skubong, Senior Judge. Notice regarding land known as Ngatarit, located in Ngasias Hamlet, Peleliu State, cadastral lot number 109R24 and 109R25, 109R26 and 109R27, 109R28 and 109R29. Notice is hereby given that Ngirir's clan, represented by Ngiklep Alfonso Umangay and Turangan Maath Lali K. Gibbons, has requested that a certificate of title to the above property be issued in the name of Palauan National Government based on a land conveyance agreement of such land from Ngirir's clan, represented by Ngiklep Alfonso Umangay and Turangan Maath Lali K. Gibbons, to Palauan National Government. The documents by which the land is being conveyed is available for inspection at the land court. Anyone who wishes to object to this transfer must file such an objection with the land court no later than December 17, 2025, or such objection may be forever barred. Sign, Rosemary Skubong, Senior Judge. Sub del Girela Utma el Ngat Arirt el Ngarabalur Ngasias Rablilio, Kadastra lot number 109R24, Ma25, 109R26, Ma109R27, and 109R28, Ma109R29. Asub del Murabuek Mo, Ngirir's clan, represented by Ngiklep Alfonso Umangay, Maturangan Maath Lali K. Gibbons, Amlaruli on Tril Meltob the certificate of title, El Girel Tiel Lam Sadr Babel Utum Murapalaw National Government. Ababiel Girel Tieloy de la Utum, Len Conveyance Agreement, ang Aringir of Israel Gortel Sabelang Idil Adel Momeserngi. At sa kumangaring other Tel Gablil Solam Tor Teloy de la Utum, Malgirel File or Tangel More of Israel Gort, El de Gabal Meudra December 17, 2025. Lebol Meudra Tial Timing Sabel Selul Tangel Mo de Galurior. Sign, Rosemary Skubong, Senior Judge. Notice regarding land known as Ngirir's Bungudalul, located in Ngasias Hamlet, Peleliu State. Cadastral lot number 087 R7, 087 R28, R26, R22. Notice is hereby given that Ngirir's lineage, represented by Oligor Ngirir's Dominic Sangabao and Ngirir's Florentina Nangata, Ngirir's lineage, represented by Ngiklep Alfonso Umangay and Turangan Maath Lali K. Gibbons, has requested that a certificate of title to the above property be issued in the name of Palauan National Government based on a land conveyance agreement of such land from Ngirir's lineage, represented by Oligor Ngirir's Dominic Sangabao and Ngirir's Florentina Nangata. Ngirir's lineage, represented by Ngiklep Alfonso Umangay and Turangan Maath Lali K. Gibbons, to Palauan National Government. The documents by which the land is being conveyed is available for inspection at the land court. Anyone who wishes to object to this transfer must file such an objection with the land court no later than December 17, 2025, or such objection may be forever barred. Signed, Rosemary Skabong, Senior Judge. Subdal girela utuma al ngirir sa bungudulul al ngablur nga siyas rablilyo, kadastral lot number 087R07, R28, R26, R22. Asubda murabwal kmong ngirir sa lineage, represented by Oligor ngirir sa Dominic Sangabaw, mairir sa Florentina nga nangata. Ngirir sa lineage, represented by Ngiklev Albons Kumangay, maturang almaat Lali K. Gibbons. Amnaroli on Trill Meltov, their certificate of title, girel tial mlam Sadra Babel Utuma, el mula Palauan National Government. Ababiel girel teloy de la Utuma, Land Conveyance Agreement, ang aringir officer Land Court, el sabilang idil adal mo meseringi. At so mga niya other tial kablil, so alam tor teloy de la Utuma, malgirel file or tangil more officer Land Court, el dia kapon miyo de la December 17, 2025. Level miyo de tial time ang sabiel silut tangil mo de galurior. Sahin Rosemary Skabong, Senior Judge.
WWFM is a 100% locally owned radio station. Hello, Palau. This is Diaz Broadcasting Company. Come and do business with us. Other media businesses, you pay GRT or PGST. We pay all taxes and you pay nothing. We do business and pay later. Masulang.
Tired of that city life? Looking for a place that's quiet at night? Well, look no further. Diaz Apartments are now for rent. 1 and 2 bedrooms are available in the safety and security of the Hilltop in Gurmid, located on the outskirts of Orior. Call 488-5771 to schedule a viewing today.
Diaz Apartment, the right place for you. WWFM is owned and operated by Diaz Broadcasting Corporation. Our office is located on the hilltop of Gurmid Hamlet, broadcasting on 2 different frequencies, 88.5 megahertz and 89.5 megahertz 24/7 with a transmitting power of 450 watt each transmitter. WWFM is a 100% locally owned radio station. Ali, ngariya malor udu subde de hatememel mun mera radio station, madagulngit la may bin masukaw. Makot, egdilu si aspren, eloya a cellphone mal open den wargaw, ay sinmuk mungomur o ingrang momrekor o ingrang, etela times ratal si sayan ringi, ringi either moya ka fax mora 4884420, malub ke send ringi loya ka email mora www.fmpalau@gmail.com. Ega mama record ringi erulia invoice send ringi le porkau ya uriul ega meharau. Ali malya moves loya den wargau le chospe ringi elo ay sergau maloba nganya harma raspedem ya ki call say the number e mga do urgarau era ki bomrek mru raspedem ko man sulang. Did you know that MBTV is now broadcasting on YouTube? Yes, sirree. Just type in Diaz Broadcasting Company, click it, and enjoy all shows. Don't forget to click on subscribe in order for us to stay on internet. Yes, MBTV on YouTube. WWFM is now accepting your business 24/7. Just simply call us at 488-5771 from 7:30 to 5 p.m. or 488-2177 or 775-0441 after working hours.
Oi, Sine. What do you mean, oi, Sine? Oh, correct. Asahi Super Dry. Number 1. So smooth, so crispy, so fresh, and tastes good, man. In America, that's what we drink too. In PI, I tell you, pare, we drink it too because it's number 1. In Palau, we drink it too because you know why it's good with sashimi. It is sold throughout Palau. Akarakuchi Island Beer, Asahi Super Dry, number 1.
You're listening to station WWFM, Stay tuned for Fox News.
The president loses a round in court. Lisa Brady, Fox News. A federal judge just ordering the administration to end the National Guard deployment in D.C., ruling it violates the Constitution. However, that ruling is put on hold to allow time for an appeal. Democrats pouncing on the president's reaction to a video made by several Democratic lawmakers who have military and intelligence backgrounds. In it, they urge service members to disobey illegal orders. President Trump calls that seditious behavior, punishable by death.
The President of the United States is calling for the execution of elected officials. He is throwing a match into a country filled with political extreme gasoline.
Senate Minority Leader Chuck Schumer says he's asking Capitol Police for increased protection of some lawmakers. White House spokeswoman Caroline Leavitt calls the video dangerous.
You have sitting members of the United States Congress who conspired together to orchestrate a video message to members of the United States military, to active duty service members, to members of the national security apparatus, encouraging them to defy the president's lawful orders.
She says disobeying the chain of command could put lives at risk and that the lawmakers should be held accountable, but that the president does not want them executed. A lot more hiring than expected in the delayed September employment report. 119,000 jobs created.
But if you dig down into the details, there's actually proof in the pudding that President Trump's policies are really working.
National Economic Council Director Kevin Hassett just telling Fox that includes a surge in construction workers. He says 11 major companies broke ground in September on new factories, but he also says the government shutdown is still expected to impact fourth quarter economic growth. Stocks finished lower, the Dow down 386 after an early rally. America is listening to Fox News. Federal investigators out with a preliminary report on the deadly UPS crash in Louisville earlier this month, pointing to evidence of cracks in the plane's engine mount.
The National Transportation Safety Board releasing photos of the moment the MD-11 jet's left engine erupted into flames, smashing into the fuselage of the plane before falling to pieces on the runway. The flight killing 14 people, all 3 crew members and 11 others on the ground. Investigators revealing the plane only got 30 feet off the ground before crashing, finding evidence of fatigue cracks in the left wing's engine mount. However, officials say the plane was not due for a detailed inspection of the key mount parts which had the fractures, noting it was last examined in October of 2021 and still had roughly 7,000 more takeoffs and landings before another would be scheduled. Kristen Goodwin, Fox News.
The NTSB also releasing more information on an incident at 36,000 feet in October when a United Airlines jet was struck by an apparent weather balloon over Utah. Investigators now say the pilots were showered with glass before making an emergency landing. Windborne Systems had said it believes one of its balloons hit that flight, and the NTSB says the radar track is consistent with that. An update on home sales and mortgage rates.
Sales of existing homes are up 1.2% month to month, up 1.7% compared to last October, the fastest pace since February, with lower mortgage rates getting buyers back in the market. The national median sales price hit a record for any October, up 2.1% at $415,200. Prices have gone up on an annual basis for 28 straight months. The number of homes on the market is still considered lean, although it's up 11% from this time last year.
Fox's Chris Foster. Meantime, Freddie Mac says the average rate for a 30-year fixed mortgage is now up for the third week in a row at 6.26%. Again, stocks finished lower, the Dow dropping 386, the NASDAQ down 486. I'm Lisa Brady, Fox News.